A while back, a group of scientists put a group of fleas in a jar and then they closed the lid on the jar. Now, naturally, with the lid on the jar, the fleas couldn't jump past where the lid is. But the interesting thing is that after a while, the scientists took the lid off the jar, but the fleas still didn't jump higher than where the lid used to be. A mental barrier had been formed in their collective consciousness. But what's even more interesting is that the next generation of fleas who were never exposed to the lid at all still didn't jump higher than where the lid used to be. They adopted the rules and the expectations of the other fleas in the jar. Now, the solution for these fleas wasn't to try to will themselves past this invisible barrier, but rather to be placed in a new environment in a new jar where the fleas in that jar had never been exposed to the lid in the first place, and therefore the rules and the expectations of the environment were different. This is what scientists call the Pygmalion effect, which states that the expectations set by our environments determine our behavior.